The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is Xiaomi's latest flagship Android tablet, unveiled recently on May 22, 2025. It's designed to compete directly with other high-end tablets like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and Apple iPad Pro, offering a premium experience for both productivity and entertainment. With its gargantuan OLED display, Xiaomi's first self-developed flagship chip, XRING O1, and groundbreaking 120 watts fast charging, it sets a high bar for Android tablets. The Pad 7 Ultra boasts a large 14-inch TCL9 OLED display with a high 3.2K resolution, 3200 by 2160 pixels. This translates to incredibly sharp visuals and vibrant colors, supporting 68 billion colors, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HDR Vivid. It offers a smooth visual experience with a 120Hz refresh rate and impressive peak brightness of 1600 nits, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. The 3:2 aspect ratio is a notable feature, providing more vertical screen real estate, which is beneficial for document viewing, web browse, and other productivity tasks. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The tablet itself has a slim profile of just 5.1 millimeters and weighs 609 grams, making it surprisingly light for its size. It's available in gray and blue. A major highlight is that the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is powered by Xiaomi's first self-developed flagship SoC, the XRING O1. This 3nm chip features a 10-core CPU with a top clock speed of 3.7 GHz and a 16-core Immortalis G925 MC16 GPU. Aiming for top-tier performance, it comes with generous memory configurations, including 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The tablet is equipped with a substantial 12,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, promising extended usage times, up to 16.9 hours of video playback. One of its most impressive features is support for 120 watts wired fast charging, allowing for extremely quick recharges. It also supports 7.5 watts reverse wired charging. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 2, based on Android 15. This operating system is optimized for large screens, offering features like a workstation mode for a desktop-like experience with floating windows and adjustable app sizes. It includes AI-enhanced features for tasks like writing, calculations, and image generation. It boasts 8 stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for an immersive audio experience. It has a 50-megapixel rear camera, Samsung JN1 sensor, and a 32-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, OmniVision OV32D, strategically placed for landscape video calls. Features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, NFC for data transfer only, and an IR blaster. It supports a magnetic keyboard with a large trackpad and a focus pen stylus with 892 pressure levels, enhancing its productivity potential. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra enters the market with a very impressive spec sheet, particularly its display, charging speed, and the powerful new XRING O1 chip. It's clearly positioned as a top-tier Android tablet for those who demand a large, immersive screen and strong performance for both work and play. Its success will heavily depend on the maturity of HyperOS 2's tablet optimizations, the quality of its accessories, and its eventual global pricing and availability. It certainly has the potential to be a formidable challenger to the established leaders in the premium tablet space. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.